where you are? Okay, ready? Let's action
Yeah,
time.
we're pushing. Where is he? Oh, there.
Nice. Coming.
I need help.
Coming.
Yeah.
It
Coming,
takes time.
on my way.
Oh man, it's closed here. Where are they
Where are
exactly?
Come on, Roca.
Right outside my house. If they're
That's-
nading me, I'm dead.
Go, Danny, go.
Oh, I see him.
Yeah, we are here.
Where?
He naded me.
Where's he?
All dead.
Oh yeah,
He stopped.
Yeah, I heard it.
going down.
What the hell?
Uh-oh. Somebody.
Behind the tree, to our right.
Knocked from our
Yep,
southwest
I knew I
somewhere.
heard them.
Can you get in here? I don't know.
Oh, I see him.
One is dead.
Still 3.
I have cover here. Oh shit, you guys are all coming. Don't worry about me, I'm dead.
Watch out, Vega. One more there.
I'm so screwed here.
Yeah,
Inside?
that was
I don't know. He's knocked out. Oh, watch out.
Oh!
There you go. I think
Yeah, I
there's
didn't know he was
still
there.
one left, guys.
You killed him?
No,
No?
no.
Oh yeah, he's 165.
Where?
Yeah, he's
There's
not.
The
house?
entrance. Outside.
He's dead.
See?
I got him.
No, I'm good.
Northeast and southeast. They have to come to us.
You guys are on the edge of the zone, you have to move towards the river.
The hell? I have my magazine
I have
on my head. So they're
Where's
coming.
one?
Roca, right there.
What?
Right there in front of you, crossing the street. Look to your left. Towards northeast. He's running into the trees.
Southwest.
The hell? Am I blind?
Right there, there's another one crossing the street right there.
Oh yeah.
There, running into the
120.
trees. Two of them.
120.
Yeah.
One's prone.
Oh my god, how much
There's
damage
another
does
one
he-
closer to you, crossing right in front
Oh,
of
yeah.
you, Roca. In the
There's
trees.
a.
Oh, they're coming.
Two
They're
of
coming.
them. They're coming. Three of them. And the buggy. Oh, the buggy just hit somebody!
Oh.
I got the
knocked one
kills.
out.
Yeah, I got the kills. There's still people there.
Killed one.
There's behind the bush, Roca. He's
One is to our west, close. Watch out.
Bias.
I'm getting shot at.
There they are, they're all running across the field. There's another one running across the road far.
I knocked one out.
I got the kills.
There's more people around here.
Oh, and I got 5 kills.
Nice, Roca.
Yeah, to our left.
There's another one in front of you. Look right. Oh,
He's knocked
Oh,
out.
yeah.
God, they're everywhere.
I think one is to our southwest, like in the compound.
Look right, Roca. On the road again, far up. Towards the barrier. Yep. There, muzzle shots. Underneath the tree. Yep.
Oh god.
Running left.
Yeah.
There's still somebody at the bridge, by
It's
the
his
way.
buddies covering
I
him.
think somebody is in this compound.
Our compound.
Yes. I killed
Okay,
2
now.
people, but they didn't die instantly.
I
Could
got
be
the
lying
kill.
here in the grass.
Well, I'm gonna help you then. I'll help you look.
There. No,
might be in
look
this
back,
barn.
Look back, shoot him.
You know what? I'm moving to this rock.
Oh god.
Where can
I'm
you see
so
people?
scared. Get him.
Well, they're at the forest, like northeast, east.
He's dead.
Nice.
To
Oh
the
my
bridge.
god, what the fuck is
Let's-
going on?
Yeah, bridge.
Don't- Follow me,
I
follow
mean-
me.
You guys have to move forward.
we have to move.
Now. Move.
Wait.
Yeah, he's right there.
They're at the bridge. Shit, we need to move though.
Oh,
Oh
close!
shit!
Yeah, that's
In the
what he
house.
said.
Fuck!
He's at me, at my place. He's running. Still running. Nice. Can you help me out?
No.
Yeah.
Vega, fast.
Yeah, coming. I have to try. Open
Yeah.
field.
Just go for it. Fuck this. Oh, come on.
Oh shit, I see a guy.
Oh, I'm dying. Shit.
No.
I'm so dead.
It was too quick. I didn't realize how fast it went. Shit.
quiet now.
Please don't see me. Oh no, the guys from the bridge.
No, come on!
Ah, so close, you guys.
We should have,
That was
we
a
should have
great
moved towards
fight
the
at the end
bridge
there.
and kill
Number
those guys.
3.